Hello, dear friends. I hope you are doing well. In our previous lesson, we learned how to ask and answer about time in English. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to ask for the date in English, how to answer it, and how to write it. A very important and practical topic. Dear friends, there are two common ways to ask about the date in English. Number one, what is the date today? Number two, what date is it today? Just remember these two questions, my friends. You can always use them to ask about the date, and both mean the same. God, now that you have learned how to ask about the date, let's learn how to answer if someone asks us, what is the date today? Dear friends, when telling the date, we always use ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers include first, second, third, fourth, and so on. For example, what is the date today? Dear students, we can say it is the 5th of August 2025. Here we use an ordinal number, so the sentence is correct. But if we say it is 5 of August 2025, that is incorrect. Why, my friends? Because we always use ordinal numbers when speaking the date in English. Got it? Now let's learn how to write the date in English. Dear students, there are many ways to write the date in English, but we will study only the two most common ones. 9 June 2025. This means we can first write the date, then the month, and finally the year. Or we can write 9th June 2025. You see, my friends, in the first example we use cardinal numbers, and in the second we used ordinal numbers. This means we can write this using both types of numbers. But when speaking, we must use ordinal numbers only. Another format, Feb 10, 2025. Dear student, this means we can also write the month first, then the day, and then the year. And that is totally fine. Dear friends, it is that simple. This is how we can ask, tell, and write the date in English. All right, now we have a practice page to review and practice the grammar section. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. Ali, hello Sarah. Sarah, hi Ali, how are you? Ali, I'm good, thanks. Do you know today's date? Sarah, sure, it is the 5th of August 2025. Ali, thanks. I always forget the date. Sarah, no problem. You can check the calendar too. Ali, by the way, how do you write it in English? Sarah, you can write 5 August 2025 or 5th August 2025. Ali, oh, I see. And how do you say it? Sarah, you must say the 5th of August. Use ordinal numbers. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Date. What is the date today? Ordinal numbers. We use ordinal numbers like first, second, and third when saying the date. Calendar. I checked the calendar to find today's date. Month. August is the 8th month of the year. Year. This event happened in the year 2025. Format. There are different formats to write the date. Correct. Always use ordinal numbers to say the correct date. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1 hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.